Hey guys, it's Rob here. Today I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot or a still image in Davinci Resolve. So the first thing we're going to do is drag our footage into the timeline. And there's a video here of me. And all we have to do is come over to the color tab at the bottom. Make sure at the top left we're in gallery. The gallery selected, and then you can move along with the timeline to exactly where you want to take the screenshot. Once you're happy that you want the screenshot there, you can right click and you simply click grab still. Now over here on the left you have the screenshot. If you right click on it, you can then go down to export, and here you can choose whichever file type you like and name it. And there you go, it's that simple. That's how you take a screenshot. You can then use it later in your footage or whatever you'd like to do with it. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you again very soon.